Here we are at the Dennis Lines Railroad Union Station. This is my train sitting in its nice little nest here at Union Station. And this is the Dennis Lines main line leading out of Union Station. And you can hear my dad welding in the barn. We have our fancy little fountain here in the flower bed that gives the station class. That's its main use. And now we will head over to the outer reaches of Union Station. We have over on a switch, I hope you all can see this, we have the tender that goes behind the engine sitting on a switch over here. And we continue on our little driveway here, and hopefully you can see my little caboose over here where I live. And this is Union Station Gardens, my little flower garden here. It's also used as a prayer garden. And then here's Little Caboose, formerly Illinois Central Gulf 1009671. Originally it was with the Illinois Central, and then continued with the Illinois Central Gulf, the ICG. And it is now officially retired and is used by my railroad as our business car and my apartment. And here we have some more of our plants and everything. Union Station Gardens. And we also have a statue of Saint Terez, who is the patron saint of flowers. She's known as the Little Flower because she was a saint that didn't do really big things. She believed in working small works, which add up to big things. And she is a doctor of the church. She is from Lisieux, France. And so this is where I love to come and pray at night. There's some of my dad's crazy horses running around like a bunch of yahoos, doing really horsey things. And now we will go to the other side. Well, we'll go up here on the porch of the little caboose. Here we are on the little porch of the caboose. And down there, I hope you can see St. Francis of Assisi. And we have some roses there. Those roses came from my grandmother's flower bed. Those are old-fashioned roses. My grandmother, Mama Pauletta. And St. Francis is the patron saint of animals, and he is actually over the grave of my beloved dog, Nana, who passed away when I was in college. She actually died on the feast day of St. Francis. And actually this whole tree line is my pet cemetery. I have several pets buried through here. So this is Union Station. Hope you've enjoyed seeing Union Station.